Now that we have changed the appearance of the screens of the destinations and each destination detail screen, what we now want to do is add a new tab right here which shows me the list of places, right, in each particular city. So now to do that, I need to go back to my spreadsheet and I need to add a new spreadsheet. I need to add a new sheet, excuse me. And I'll rename this sheet to say places to visit. Now Glide in generally the way it works is for each sheet it adds a new screen, right? That's how it maps each screen data to each particular sheet data. So what I'll do is in the places to visit I'll add some headers. So I'll maybe say place, which city this place is in, what is it popular for, and an image for this particular place. And now what I'll do is I'll quickly pause this video and add some dummy information, some data for this particular sheet. Alright, I've gone ahead and added some information. So I've added the list of places in a few cities that we already had added before, and some information on why is it popular for, and the image from unsplash.com. Now if I go back to Glide and if I click on the reload sheet button, the data has been refreshed, but of course it's not added the tab on its own. Alright, and if I click on the existing screens, that information has not showed up yet. Now how do you add a new screen? To do that, in Glide you would click on the tabs option here on the left hand side of your screen and click on the plus button on the right hand side of your screen to add a new tab. We'll call this places to visit, and for the source we'll choose the second sheet. Now destinations already exists in our app, so we don't want the same thing again. We want to choose this as places to visit, and when I select on that particular source, it has automatically populated all the places in all these different cities on our screen. Now the other thing that we want to do is we want to change the icon for this particular tab and the icon for the destinations as well. To do that, I'll just search for a different icon. So in this case I'll search for a briefcase, which is a handbag, and I'll click on the back button here. Now what I'll do is I'll click on the destinations tab and change this destination to a different icon as well. For this particular demo, I'm just going to select this little icon here, a world map. Of course it's for a different use case, but hey, it conveys the message. So now I have two different tabs, one for destinations, which pulls information from the destination sheet from our Google spreadsheet, and then I have places to visit, which pulls in information from the places to visit sheet from our Google spreadsheet.